Hi everyone. Today's video is focused on IELTS speaking. It has been seen that exam takers, both academic and general, find speaking module to be the most difficult of all modules. So today we will discuss certain key points which will groom you and boost your confidence to break the myth. Welcome to our YouTube channel Uflyer. For those who are new or not yet subscribed our channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Let's start with the video. Tips to crack speaking exam like a pro. Watch the entire video for speaking tips that you can follow on the day of the exam. You should be aware of these IELTS speaking tips so that you don't make foolish mistakes on the exam day. You should know what the examiner expects from you and be well prepared. Let's discuss essential tips to help you through the speaking test. 1. Focus on what's important when you prepare. Unless you have particularly bad pronunciation, don't spend a lot of time and money on pronunciation lessons. You are better to spend that time increasing your range of vocabulary and sentence structures. Practicing speaking as much as you can to increase your fluency. Please find the link to our vocabulary building videos in the description tab. 2. Avoid nerves. This can be difficult because you are taking a one-on-one test, but try not to be nervous. If you can't speak much because you are nervous, then you may get a lower score. The examiner needs to hear you speak as much as possible in order to assess your skills. If you speak freely and confidently, then you may get a score above your expectation. 3. Extend your answers. Of all the IELTS speaking tips, this is probably one of the most important. The examiner's job is to assess your speaking, so if you say very little, she will not be able to do the assessment. Don't give one-word answers such as yes and no and leave it at that. Your job is to give the examiner as much language as possible to assess, so speak as much as you can. 4. Stay on topic. It's important to extend your answers as mentioned before, but make sure you stay on topic. Don't talk about anything that comes into your head. If it is not answering the question asked, you fail to score. Deviation from one point to another is fine, but do not deviate from the actual topic. 5. Don't rely on the examiner. The examiner usually won't prompt you to say more if you don't say enough, so it's up to you to give a full answer to each question. If you don't, then the interview will be over very quickly and you may not be happy with your score. However, in the cue card round, the examiner may prompt you to stop once your speaking time is over. Hence, it is recommended not to stop before you are asked to stop. 6. Understand the questions. If you do not understand a question, then ask the examiner to repeat it. Don't try to answer it the first time if you have not understood or heard it properly. You won't lose marks for asking for a question to be repeated. However, if you are unable to understand a lot of the questions, you are probably not ready to take the test. 7. Don't show off. You want to do your best to impress the examiner, but try to keep within your capabilities. If you try to use lots of grammar structures and vocabulary that you are not confident about, you may simply bring down your score. 8. Keep eye contact. Try to have eye contact with the examiner. This does not mean you need to look at him or her all the time or stare. But it is normal when you have a conversation with someone, you need to have eye contact, so as to seek their attention. The examiner's attention is desired for a good score. 9. Listen carefully. Listen very carefully to the questions so that you can answer them correctly. For example, if you are asked about an event in the past, make sure you answer using the past tense. 10. Be on time. These IELTS speaking tips will not be much use to you if you are not on time. You are going to get off to a bad start if you upset the examiner because you have kept them waiting. So arrive in plenty of time. Hope the video was to the point and helpful. You should remember that practice is the only key to success. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get informative videos like this.